Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into homes.com for property comparisons, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.homes.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your homes.com account. In the next field, type in your password. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the page to refresh. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your homes.com dashboard. From here, you can start comparing properties. To search for properties, use the search bar at the top of the page. Enter your desired location, property type, or any specific criteria. Click on the search icon to view the listings. Take your time to browse through the available options. You can filter the results based on price, size, and other features. When you find a property of interest, click on it for more details. You are now ready to compare properties on homes.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.